Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Windows edition and whether you need installation or recovery media. This shapes the tool you use. Once done, plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and sign in as an admin so system tools can write files. Choose Microsoft Media Creation Tool for guided creation, or download the ISO if you prefer manual control and checksums. I'll show how and why each path matters, so you can pick based on speed, verification, and flexibility. Now you execute the core steps. If you use the Media Creation Tool, follow prompts. Select Language, Edition, Architecture, then pick USB. It downloads and writes automatically. If you opted for an ISO, verify the checksum, open Rufus, or use DiskPart and format as FAT32 or NTFS depending on UEFI needs, then write the ISO. Make sure to set the target PC's firmware to UEFI or legacy compatibility. This ensures the drive. Finally, boot the target PC from the USB and choose Install or Repair. Use Repair to access System Restore, Startup Repair, or Command Prompt for targeted fixes. During install, verify partitions and choose to keep files if that's your aim, otherwise perform a clean install. If the installer can't see the drive, load storage drivers or check SATA mode. If booting fails, recreate the media, try a different USB port or stick, and make sure secure boot settings match your media type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.